Hello everyone. In my previous tutorial, I had shown you how to make NTP RTC clock using NodeMCU. In this video, I will show you how to make ESP8266 NodeMCU based alarm home automation using NTP library. So, before going into the video, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for get the instant notifications. These are the components that I have used in this project: NodeMCU, LCD display, 5 voltage relay module, jumper wires, the NTP client initiates a timed request exchange with the NTP server. As a result of this exchange, the client is able to calculate the link delay and its local offset and adjust its local clock to match the clock at the server's computer. Once synchronized, the client updates the clock about once every 10 minutes, usually requiring only a single message exchange. In addition to client-server synchronization, this transaction occurs via the user datagram protocol on port 123. NTP can operate in a number of ways. The most common configuration is to operate in client-server mode. The basic working principle is that the client device such as ESP8266 connects to the server using the user datagram protocol, which means UDP, on port 123. A client that transmits a request packet to an NTP server. In response to this request, the NTP server sends a timestamp packet. A timestamp packet contains multiple information like Unix timestamp, accuracy, delay, or time zone. A client can then pass out current date and time values. Here I have used two different circuit diagrams for easy understanding. You have to use it in one circuit. Before you going to upload the code, you need to add the NTP library in your Arduino library. In my case, I have already added those library in my Arduino documentary folder. If you didn't see my previous article or post, check out my website, or you can check in my description too to download the required library for this project. Also, you can download the code for this project from my website. Hope you have liked this post. Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for get the instant notification. If you have any feedback, feel free to leave it in comment box. And don't forget to share it between each other who aspire to make this kind of stuffs.